Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money to an Amex checking account in 2025. If you're an American Express user looking to move funds quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process has been streamlined with the latest updates, making it easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the American Express app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. It's free and user-friendly. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. If you're on a new device, you might need to verify your identity for security reasons. Think two-factor authentication to keep your money safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. This is usually front and center on the dashboard. Look for an option that says Transfer Money or Move Funds. Select Incoming Transfer if you're sending money from another account, like your bank or another card. Next, you'll need to enter the details. Choose the source account, whether it's from a linked bank, another Amex card, or even a mobile payment service. Input the amount you want to transfer, and double-check for any fees that might apply in 2025. Amex often has promotions, so keep an eye out. Then, add any required information, like the routing number or account details from the sending bank. Hit Review to confirm everything. Amex will show you a summary, including the transfer date and estimated arrival time. Most transfers happen instantly or within 1 to 2 business days. Finally, authorize the transfer with your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. And just like that, you're done. Remember, always monitor your account for any unauthorized activity and reach out to Amex support if you run into issues. This method keeps your finances organized and stress-free. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money management tips. See you next time.